What's the meaning of Boy Scouts of America? Boy Scouts of America. Boy Scouts of America.
Boy Scouts of America. Boy Scouts of America. The Boy Scouts of America, BSA, is a youth organization in the United States that aims to promote character development, citizenship training, and physical and mental fitness. Founded in 1910, the BSA is one of the largest youth organizations in the country, with approximately 2.3 million members. The organization offers a variety of programs for boys and girls, including Cub Scouts, Scouts BSA, Venturing, and Sea Scouts. The BSA encourages its members to engage in outdoor activities, volunteerism, and leadership development, with the ultimate goal of preparing young people to become responsible and ethical adults.